Hello and namaste. I'm here to talk to you about one of my favorite repertories, a repertory that has to be on table of every single homeopath, the Phatak repertory. This is an absolutely phenomenal repertory, and it's a pocket-sized repertory. You're supposed to keep it in your pocket, and the most beautiful thing about this repertory is that it is in alphabetical order. There are very small rubrics, and each of these rubrics actually have some significance, and there are very few remedies next to every rubric. For example, there is a rubric spots. No, this spots means anything. It could be spotty pain here, or it could be a spot of white rash that has come up on the face. So it has to be kind of generalized from the local symptom. This is the idea of using Phatak repertory. I hope you join our new repertory course where we are going to discuss Phatak repertory in so much more detail.